Welcome to my channel. Today, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing VirtualBox, a powerful tool for creating and managing virtual machines. We will also cover installation Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 Redistributable package, which is crucial for VirtualBox. Whether you're a developer, a tester, or just curious about virtualization, this tutorial is for you. Let's start with the first step, downloading VirtualBox. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official VirtualBox website at www.virtualbox.org. Once you're on the home page, look for the Downloads section. Click on it to access the download options. Here, you will see various versions available for different operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Choose the version that corresponds to your operating system. Click on the download link, and the installation file will begin downloading. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Now that the download is complete, let's move on to the installation process. Locate the downloaded file, which is usually found in your Downloads folder. Open the installation file to start the setup wizard. Oops, I don't have the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable package installed on my PC. If you have this same problem, then we need to install this package from Microsoft first. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 Redistributable package, and select the first option from Microsoft official site. You will typically see options for both x86 and x64 versions. If you're unsure which one to choose, most modern systems use the x64 version. However, if you are running a 32-bit application, you may need the x86 version as well. After selecting the appropriate version, click on the download button. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the file. It will usually be named something like vc_redist, x64, x, or vc_redist, x86, x. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. A user account control prompt may appear, asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The installation wizard will open. Here, you will need to accept the license terms. Click on the checkbox and then select Install. After the installation is completed, hit the Restart button. After your computer restarted, let's locate the VirtualBox downloaded setup file and try installing again. Let us open the installation file to start the setup wizard. Okay, finally it works. Click Next to continue. You will be presented with the license agreement. Read through it, and if you agree, select I agree, and click Next. Next, you can choose the installation location. The default location is usually fine, but feel free to change it if you prefer. Click Next to continue. Click Yes to continue. Keep the default options checked. Click Next to proceed. Finally, click Install to begin the installation. Click Finish when complete. And there you have it, we have successfully installed VirtualBox on our Windows machine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel.